Hello everyone, this is Nitish and this is Plums initiative which is Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Here we discuss 5 MCQs daily and this will help you in your UPSC preparation. Today is episode number 179 and I am dealing with Economics MCQ. Before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation video, you can contact to Vysh sir on WhatsApp 7200 So let's begin. Today's MCQ number 1. Usually, which of the following agencies project India's growth? Asian Development Bank, Moody's Investor Service, World Bank, Fitch Ratings, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. So you have to select the correct answer code 134, 1234, 2345 and all of the above, that is 12345. Basically this question is framed from economic survey. So try to answer this question. I will provide you 10 seconds and write it in the comment section. So its correct answer will be option number D, that is all of the agencies project India's growth. Now let's look at the explanation part. This graph or diagram is taken from the economic survey which was released this year. So here we can see the different agencies has released different India's growth projection. So the average growth is 6.9%. Now move to MCQ number 2. Which of the following statement best describe the term entrenched inflation? Statement A. Inflation that is due to temporary problems and is rectified once the underlying problems are resolved. Statement B. Inflation that tends to stick around even after the immediate problem that spurred it on have resolved. Statement C. Inflation due to cut in the supply of key commodities because of negative economic shock. And last statement is inflation due to the price level increase at a very rapid rate. So I will provide you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number B, that is the entrenched inflation is a type of inflation that tends to stick around even after the immediate problem that spurred it on have resolved. Now let's look at the explanation. Basically this term is also taken from the economic survey, that is the economic survey may have presented an optimistic growth outlook for the next year, but it did highlight the risk of an entrenched inflation and hence higher and longer interest rate and a depreciating rupee lead to high current account deficit both on account of global headwinds. So first we will look what is transitionary inflation, which is a short-lived and circumstantial, whereas entrenched inflation tends to stick around even after the immediate problem that spurred it on have resolved, which is the statement number B. Now move on to MCQ number 3. Which of the following can be considered as Black Swan event based on the terminology popularized by author Nazim Nicholas Taleb? 2008 global financial crisis, fall of the Soviet Union, terrorist attack in the US on September 11, 2001. So you have to identify the correct answer code 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3 and all of the above. I will give you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number D. All of the above are considered as the Black Swan event. So now let's look at what is Black Swan theory. Black Swan is an rare, unpredictable event that comes as a surprise and has a significant impact on society or the world. And this theory was put forward by Nassim Nicholas Taleb in 2001 and later popularized in his 2007 book, which was named as The Black Swan, The Impact of Highly Improbable. Now the question is, when have such events occurred in the past? So as we have seen in the question that all the three events are considered as a black swan event. So here in the solution itself is also given the same thing, that these events are considered as the black swan event, that is 2008 global financial crisis, fall of the Soviet Union, terrorist attack in US. Now the MCQ number 4. Which of the following reduce accumulation of capital stock in the economy? 1. Depreciation of asset. 2. Spending on infrastructure rather than capacity building of financial institutions. So you have to identify the correct answer code. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. I will provide you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number A, which means that only depreciation of asset reduce accumulation of capital stock in the economy. And those who know the concept of depreciation, they can easily eliminate this answer. They can easily get this answer. Now let's look at the explanation that depreciation is the gradual decrease in the economic value of the capital stock of a firm, nation, or other entity. It can happen either by physical depreciation like wear and tear, or by changes in the demand for the service of the capital. Capital stock is anything that adds to the productive capacity of the economy. Spending on infrastructure actually increase the capital stock of the nation. That's why only the statement number 1 is the correct one. Last MCQ of today's class, that is MCQ number 5. Which of the following best describes bank rate? It is the rate at which bank penalizes the customer if they do not pay interest regularly. It is the rate at which bank lends to their customer based on their credit score. It is the rate at which central bank lends money to the commercial bank. And last one, none of the statements. That is A, B and C are correct. So basically this question is here framed because it is in current affair. So I put this static question, that is bank rate. So try to answer this question. I will provide you 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number C. That is, it's very easy question, that it is the rate at which central bank lends money to the commercial bank. And the same explanation, same statement is given in the explanation also, that is the rate charged by central bank for lending funds to the commercial bank. So that's all for today. Next episode will be tomorrow. So please subscribe and stay tuned.